morning, Ridgelawn Eagles, and welcome back to school. It is Monday, October 5th. We hope you enjoyed the weekend. It was a nice fall weekend. It looks like we're going to have a great week this week. Families, over the weekend, you may have seen an email from Dr. Thorns as well as the Class Dojo from us here at Ridgelawn School. We are in preparation of planning for some back to school in-person instruction if that's what you're choosing. Please take some time to read over all of that information. There is a survey that you do need to fill out, and it is one per student. We ask that you fill out that survey and have it back to us today if possible, but by tomorrow at 3 o'clock for sure. We then here at school will be in the midst of planning in terms of schedules and class rosters, and we'll be getting all that information out to you as soon as we can. Thank you for turning in those surveys if you've already done so, but if not, please make sure you get those into us so we can start forward. Our materials pickup was a huge success last week. We still have some materials here to be picked up. If you have not yet picked up your bags for your children, please make sure that you contact us here at school. You'll be able to come into the front office and we'll be able to give that to you. So please make sure that you take some time in the next couple days to pick that up. We have some birthdays out there that we would like to wish. Omar Dukar in pre-K, Farah Mahmoud in kindergarten, Caden Strock in first grade, and Jihad Abdul Karim in fourth grade. Happy birthday wishes to all four of you. We have some shout outs that we want to share, and we're going to start off with student shout outs first. The first one is going out to Abdul Aziz Jaber, and that's coming from Amir because you are such a good friend to him. Thank you. Tasneem Syed, Mrs. Ramirez would like to say you are such a hard worker. Even when your internet kept going down, you kept joining back in and you got caught up on all of your work. Great job, Tasneem. We have a shout out to Rayanna from Yasmin because you are smart and a good friend. Ariana has one. Oh, actually she's picked, this is a staff one. Let me come back to this one in just a minute. We have one that's coming to Daoud from Janan because he finishes his work on time and he's such a great brother. We also have a shout out to all of these students from Mrs. Spencer, Malak Daifala, Rama, Salah, Adam Mofid, Ali Rafati, Kaylin Seifer, Alexia Tobin, and Juliana Soika for all being able to recite the preamble to the United States Constitution. Mrs. Spencer is super proud of you. We have a shout out to Nada from Lamar for always being there for her. And also Mrs. Ramirez's entire class. You are getting a shout out from your very own teacher, Mrs. Ramirez. Mrs. Ramirez says she loves this class so much. She is always impressed by how well you follow along and join meetings on time. Keep it up, everybody. Now, Ariana Curry has a shout out to Mr. Navis because he makes her have fun and he is so nice. We have a shout out to Miss Conroy and Mrs. Inslee from Karan Clark, Ralph Clark, and Dad for all of the help that you've been giving during our Zoom meetings each and every day. They would like to thank you. Mrs. Peel, Lou Jane would like to thank you because you help the whole class get smart and you're so nice. Mrs. Peel, Ilias would also like to thank you for all of the time that you gave them on tests. We have a shout out from Kamar to me because of all the work that I do for the school, so thank you, Kamar. Mrs. Ramirez, here's one for Ibrahim Alwan because you work so hard, you're good and nice. Mrs. Talby, Nada would like to say, let's see, she was always here to help us and she is the best teacher, so thank you, Nada. And last but not least, to Mrs. Alayan from Mona. She misses you so much. You have been so nice, and she wishes she could be back in third grade, but we know we're all moving on, getting smarter and getting stronger every day because Ridgelawn, we're Eagle strong. With that, off to Miss Kazmarek for the rest of the announcements.
Good morning, everyone. Ms. Kazmarek here with Eddie, hoping that you enjoyed your weekend and welcoming you back to school. Today is National Do Something Nice Day, so find some time to do something nice, pay a compliment, write a note, thank your parents, thank your teacher, but make sure you find some time to do something nice for someone else today. To go along with that, our quote for the day is, we don't have to agree on anything to be kind to one another. So now if everyone can please join me and Eddie in our moment of reflection. Please stand and say the Pledge of Allegiance with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Eagles. Eddie here with your Monday Technology Tip of the Day. Students received Chromebook sleeves at the materials pickup. If you haven't gotten your supplies yet, make sure you come to the Ridgeline office to pick them up. Keep your Chromebooks in the sleeve to keep them safe.
Have a marvelous Monday, Ridgeline Eagles, and always remember our guidelines to success. Everyone is responsible. Always be respectful. Give your best. Look out for each other. Everybody matters. Stay safe.